Welcome again to Androidia channel. One of the most common obstacles that you face when you post or pin in Pinterest, when you see this, that this link, that this link blocked. We block this link because it's lead to spam. So how to solve this problem? This is the link. It is not spamming at all, but you need to go to Google and search for link shortener, bit.ly link shortener, and you can use any link shortener. I'm going to use bit.ly. So you need to sign up in this link shortener. So I'm going to do the process. You just follow and link or sign in to bit.ly using your own Gmail. Then just choose the free plan. It is so useful and it is limited. It is useful. Then once you are in, just log in with your Gmail, follow the process that they need you to do it, and then you will end up here. Here you just need to talk about your business, the country that you using bit.ly from, and tell us about your work. So just choose your country that you based on, or you want to tell about, or your work is on that country, and then where would you like to start? Just short link or shortener link. Then create new link. I'm going to grab that link that leads to spam. Do you remember this link? I'm going to grab it and just go back to the link shortener bit.ly and add the link, create new, and then add the link. Once you add it, just click on generate or this button, and then or create, and this open or copy this link and add it. And now follow all or fill up all the fields, and no spamming lead, and the problem has been solved easily. So this is how you can solve this problem, and just go do it. And after that, add your tags, and then publish your pin on Pinterest. And don't forget, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. But before you're going, just I'm going to just make you sure that the pin that I just updated, it is like this, just showed up.